Okay, so we're doing a work problem number 12. So it takes K 10 hours. All right, so here's K. Takes K 10 hours to pick 40 bushels of apple. The 40 bushels have the 40 bushels have nothing to do with a question. It's just she's picking some apples. So it takes her 10 hours to pick 40 bushels of apples. It takes Marge 15 hours. So it takes Marge 15 hours. So Marge is not finished yet until way after K. And so if they work together, how long will it take them both if they're working together? Well, we should see that if K had somebody working at her speed, they would be finished in 5 hours, right? And if Marge had somebody working at her speed, they would be finished in 7.5 hours. So we can expect they're going to be finished somewhere between 5 and 10 if they work together. There's a formula that allows us to solve these kind of problems. And what it is, it says that we have to do, what we want is we want to do x over A plus x over B is equal to 1. And in this case, A is a time taken by person A. So in this case, A is a time taken by person A. So K is person A, and it takes K 10 hours. And Marge is person B, and it takes Marge 15 hours. And X is just the time taken together when they work together. So together, it would take them X hours. All right, and so what we're usually trying to solve for is X. Sometimes we can be asked to solve for A and B, but in this case, we're asked to solve for X. So what happens is we substitute what we know. We know that A is going to be 10, so X over 10, plus B is going to be 15, X over 15 is equal to 1. And now we want to find the least common denominator to multiply by. So the LCD of 10 and 15 is going to be 30. Why? Because 30 is a multiple of 10, and 15 is and 30 is also a multiple of 15. All right. So that's what we're gonna have here. All right. Sorry about the crying in the background. I like all New Yorkers, most New Yorkers quarantined at home, so to speak. So I don't have a soundproof room. All right, so we're going to take this equation now, we're going to solve it. So x over 10 plus x over 15 is equal to 1. I'm multiplying by the LCD on both sides, which is 30. So 30 times x over 10 plus 30 times x over 15 is equal to 30. So this cancels, and I have 3x. 15 into 30 goes 2 times, and I have 2x. And that's equal to 30. All right, and so that means that 5x would be equal to 30. If I divide by 5, I would get x is equal to 6. So like we said before, working together, it would take them 6 hours to actually complete the picking. Again, it didn't matter if they had 40 bushels or if they had 100 bushels, as long as they were trying to pick the same number of bushels individually, they can come together and work on that same number of apples, same amount, and they would be finished in 6 hours.